Hey, what's up guys, this is Milton Washington Deck 1999, back here again, and guess what time it is? It's unboxing time. Box. See? Get it? Alright, I'm done. Okay, so the item today is from Nest, a Google company. I already have one product from them, the Nest Cam Indoor, and now I have the 2nd-Generation Nest Protect Battery Edition. If I got the wired 120 volt, I would have to tap into my home's wiring system, which doesn't provide wiring to smoke detectors as far as I know, so I had to go with the battery on this one. I'm going to go ahead, rip apart the plastic, get the plastic, get the box open, and we'll be on our way. Alrighty guys, it's out of the packaging, everything else is. Here's a couple of warning messages that I can put up. These are my keys. This already has the long-lasting batteries in it. Try not to press the button or else it'll engage the test. Not trying to do that because it is nighttime and there are people sleeping. Here's the mounting bracket with the screws. I will put that up in the corner above my door where I will keep it. But I don't want to show too much of my room or radio setup right now, so yeah, it's just another teaser. So I'm going to go ahead and program this to Wi-Fi and then show everything after it's set up. So I will be right back.